20 life-changing tips you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an insane video for you guys. We're talking 20 life-changing tips that will seriously upgrade your day-to-day. Let's jump right into it. First up is staying organized. To-do list apps are a game changer. They help you keep track of everything, from homework assignments to grocery shopping. Set reminders so you never miss a beat. Once you go to to-do list app, you'll never go back. Next up is a huge time saver, especially if you're always on the go. Meal prepping. Spend a few hours on the weekend prepping your meals for the week. It'll save you time and help you eat healthier. Nobody likes dealing with bills. Automate them. Set up automatic payments for all your bills and you'll never have to worry about late fees again. A messy room can make you feel stressed and overwhelmed. Declutter your living space, get rid of things you don't need, and organize the rest. You'll feel calmer and more productive. In the age of the internet, having strong, unique passwords is crucial. Password managers generate and store all your passwords securely. You only need to remember one master password. Talk about a brain upgrade. Want to set yourself up for success? It all starts with a solid morning routine. Figure out what works best for you, whether it's a quick workout, a healthy breakfast, or just a few minutes of meditation. Learning keyboard shortcuts might seem small, but it can save you a surprising amount of time in the long run. Ever heard of batching? It's a game changer. Group similar tasks together. Dedicate an hour to answering emails, another hour to writing, and so on. Stay focused and get more done in less time. Gone are the days of scribbling appointments on scraps of paper. Calendar apps are here to save the day. Use them to schedule appointments, set reminders for deadlines, and keep track of your busy schedule. Life can get pretty hectic. Take some time for yourself and practice mindfulness, whether it's meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply appreciating the present moment. Journaling isn't just for angsty teenagers. It's a powerful tool for self-reflection, personal growth, and stress relief. Take a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Managing money can be a headache. Budgeting apps make it easier to track your spending, create a budget, and reach your financial goals. Want to achieve amazing things? It all starts with setting goals. Write them down, break them into smaller steps, and track your progress. Seeing how far you've come is a huge motivator. Learning to say no is tough, but it's a game changer for protecting your time and energy. It's okay to decline requests that don't align with your priorities. Every no to something you don't want to do is a yes to something you do. Want to build good habits and break bad ones? Habit trackers are your new best friend. Use them to track your progress, stay motivated, and hold yourself accountable. You don't have to do everything yourself. Delegating tasks to others frees up your time and mental energy. Whether it's asking a friend for help or hiring a virtual assistant, don't be afraid to ask for help. Taking regular breaks actually makes you more productive. Step away from your work or studies every hour or so to clear your head and come back feeling refreshed. Note-taking apps are a lifesaver for capturing and organizing your ideas, notes, and to-do lists. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. Shifting your focus to the positive aspects of your life can lead to greater happiness, improved relationships, and even better sleep. Staying hydrated is crucial for your physical and mental health. It boosts energy levels, improves focus, and even helps your skin look its best. So grab that water bottle and start sipping. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.